In this video, I'll show you how to quickly sign in to Adobe Illustrator. You can start in two ways. Open a browser and go to Adobe.com, or launch the Creative Cloud desktop app if it's installed. On the website, click the Sign In button in the top right. In the app, you'll find the option in the top bar or menu. Now enter the email address linked to your Adobe account. If you have both a personal account and a work or school account, make sure you pick the right one. Then enter your password. For company or school accounts, you might need to log in using single sign-on with your organization's system. Once you've entered your details and completed any quick verification, you'll be signed into Creative Cloud. From there, head to the app section and search for Illustrator. If it's included in your plan, you can install or open it directly. If not, you'll see options to buy now or start a free trial. And that's it. You're signed in and ready to bring your creative ideas to life with Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.